Daily coronavirus infections in India fell to their lowest since mid-July, with 29,163 new cases reported for the last 24 hours, taking total to 8.87 million on Tuesday. However, as cases of coronavirus are rising in the national capital, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has sought power from the centre to impose lockdown in those market areas which may emerge as COVID-19 hotspots and decided to withdraw an order allowing 200 guests to attend wedding function.
Daily coronavirus infections in India fell to their lowest since mid-July, with 29,163 new cases reported for the last 24 hours, taking the total to 8.87 million. The number of active cases currently stands at 453,401, about 5.11% of all cumulative count. Daily cases have fallen in India since hitting a peak in September. However, as cases of coronavirus are rising in the national capital, the Delhi government has sent a proposal to the centre that if needed, markets flouting safety protocols and emerging as COVID-19 hotspots be closed for a few days, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said on Tuesday. The state is also looking at reducing the number of people allowed for weddings back to 50.
एक जनरल प्रस्ताव केंद्र सरकार की अप्रूवल के लिए भेजा जा रहा है कि अगर कहीं पे अब दिवाली ख़त्म हो गई है, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि बाज़ारों के अंदर जो इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ थी वो भीड़ कम हो जाएगी और हमें ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। लेकिन अगर ज़रूरत पड़े और सारी कोशिशों के बावजूद भी अगर किसी बाज़ार में हम देखते हैं कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और मास्क का पालन नहीं किया जा रहा और वो एरिया एक तरह से लोकल कोरोना हॉटस्पॉट बन सकता है, तो उस वहाँ पे बाज़ार को कुछ दिनों के लिए एहतियात के तौर पे बंद करने की इजाज़त दिल्ली सरकार को दी जाए।
Meanwhile, after months of closure due to coronavirus-induced lockdown, colleges across Karnataka state reopened on Tuesday, following all COVID-19 health protocols. Every student has been asked to undergo an RT-PCR test and they will be allowed to join the varsity only if they tested negative for the infection. St. Joseph College has begun conducting examinations and students are coming back from their homes to appear for the same.